So guys, welcome. Today I want to show you how to never miss notifications on Fiverr, how to be to always make sure that you respond on times when your client texts you. So you can see I have several clients. I always respond on time unless I'm too busy. So the thing is, you need to have to download this Fiverr in the Play Store. You can see this. You can go to the Google Play Store and search Fiverr mobile app. So you can download it. So after you download, of course, the next thing is to log in to your account. So I'm already logged in. The next thing, you can see manage my gigs. You can see my gigs here, right? So the other thing you need to do is to go to your setting, go to your preference, make sure that this one is checked, online status, so that when your client see you, when you open this app in your mobile phone, your clients will realize that you are online. And when the clients are coming to look for someone to give their job, they prefer someone who is online rather than the ones who are offline, because they have this perception that you will respond immediately. So the other thing is you need to go to your settings. So of course you can also you see your gigs here in your mobile app, and also you need to go to manage your settings, availability. Make sure you are always available. You can go to, let me go to my setting, my preferences, my notification, push notifications. Make sure all these are checked. Okay, so you can test. Okay, so you can see that it is successful. So the other thing is email notification. So you can make sure that all these are checked, right? Okay, so the other thing is sound notification. When you go to sound notification, you need to make sure all these are checked. And also you go to here, you can see general inbox messages. You can see, you can, rather than just uh, the default sound, you can change and put a music, so that a very loud music, so that even when you are asleep, Fiverr will wake you up. You can see me the music that I have placed. So I can choose my music. Um, I have chose this one from Bob Marley because it makes a lot of noise, and it makes sure that I wake up if probably I was asleep and a client is texting me at night. Remember, our time zones are always different. Probably the client is texting you at night and you need to be online, right? So you can put a very loud music. Okay, so there are several musics here, so I'm not going to play them because maybe I'm afraid, because of let's say Fiverr terms and also copyrights. So I'm afraid to play this music. But every time, if you choose this music, every time your client texts you, one of these music will play. All right. So maybe I can, let me cancel. Maybe I can select choose ringtone. Um, let me choose maybe from my recorder. Maybe allow. Okay, I don't have anything. So, but I will not play those sound. You can see already my ringtone is already there. So I can just. So you can see if you guys doing advertisement. No worry about that. So I can just go back. Just Fiverr advertisement. So you can see my music is Bob Marley, Iron, like Iron Lion, right? Zion. So this music is so loud. If anyone texts me on Fiverr, even if it is any time at night, this music will wake me up. I will never miss notifications. I will always respond to my clients on time. So the other thing, you make sure you change everything. For all of these, you make sure um, so this is buyer briefs, though that is not important. Buyer request, that is not so general. You can add, right? So instead of playing sound duplets, you can just change and put a music. You can see duplet is default. You change, you put a music that you want. If you have music in your mobile phone, right? So let me just go back. All of these you can just update and put a music that you want. So it is so important to have that, uh, so that you will be able to operate properly on Fiverr. And also, I think the other thing, you can see where you respond to your clients. You can see their time zone. So this basically means that their time zone is at night. So um, I think that's all for this video today. This is just about Fiverr, guys. So thank you so much. Please consider subscribing to my channel for the latest update on various tips and tricks on how you can solve your various problems in a specific, measurable, achievable, and realistic and measurable manner. So thanks. Please, if you like my video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.